Are you interested in discovering how to leverage technology to boost your income? The digital age presents countless opportunities for making money using various technological advancements. How can you turn these tech innovations into profitable ventures? In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 ways to make money with technology. We'll cover innovative approaches to harnessing the power of technology to create income streams, ranging from online ventures to tech-based investments. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or someone looking to start a tech-related business, these strategies will provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you capitalize on technological advancements. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Content 1. Create and sell digital products. Making and selling digital products is a great way to earn money with technology. These products include things like ebooks, online courses, and digital designs. Once you create these items, you can sell them online to people around the world. For example, if you know a lot about a subject, you could write an ebook or make a course to teach others. These products often don't require much ongoing work after they're created, so they can provide you with steady income over time. To be successful, make sure your digital products are high quality and useful. Start by finding out what people need or want to learn about. This can be done by looking at popular topics or asking potential customers what they're interested in. Once you have a good idea, create your product and use online platforms like Etsy or your own website to sell it. Good marketing, such as sharing on social media or sending out emails, can help more people find and buy your products. Selling digital products also means you can reach many people without the cost of physical goods. You don't need to worry about shipping or handling, which keeps your costs low. Plus, digital products can be sold again and again without needing to make more. By focusing on creating valuable content and promoting it effectively, you can build a successful business with minimal overhead. 2. Start a tech blog or YouTube channel. Starting a tech blog or YouTube channel is a great way to make money by sharing your tech knowledge. If you enjoy writing or making videos about technology, you can attract an audience interested in these topics. By creating content such as reviews of the latest gadgets or tips on using software, you can build a following. Monetization options include earning money through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored content, where companies pay you to promote their products. To succeed, produce content that is both interesting and helpful to your audience. Make sure your blog posts or videos are well researched and provide real value. Regular updates and engaging content keep your audience coming back. Use social media to share your content and interact with your viewers or readers. This helps in building a community and increasing your reach, which can lead to more income opportunities. Creating a tech blog or YouTube channel also allows you to build a personal brand. Over time, as you gain followers and credibility, companies may approach you for partnerships or sponsorships. This can lead to additional revenue streams. By focusing on delivering high-quality and relevant content, you can establish yourself as an expert in the tech field and increase your earning potential. 3. Invest in tech stocks or startups. Investing in technology stocks or startups can be a profitable way to use technology to make money. By buying shares in tech companies or investing in new tech startups, you can benefit from their growth. For example, if you invest in a company that develops popular new software or gadgets, you could earn money as the company's value increases. Researching and choosing the right investments can lead to significant financial rewards. Before investing, it's important to learn about the companies or startups you are interested in. Look at their business model, market potential, and past performance. Diversifying your investments or spreading your money across different companies can help manage risk. Staying updated with tech news and trends will also help you make informed decisions about where to invest. Investing in tech stocks or startups offers the chance for high returns, but it also comes with risks. Being aware of these risks and carefully managing your investments can help you maximize your profits while minimizing potential losses. Consulting with financial advisors or using investment platforms can provide additional support and guidance in making smart investment choices. 4. Develop mobile apps. Creating and monetizing mobile apps is a profitable way to make money using technology. Mobile apps are software applications designed for smartphones and tablets. If you have an idea for an app that solves a problem or provides entertainment, you can develop it and offer it to users. Apps can generate revenue through various methods, such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements. For example, a fitness app might offer basic features for free but charge users for premium workouts or advanced tracking. To succeed in developing a mobile app, focus on making it user-friendly and valuable. Start by identifying a problem that your app can solve or a need that it can fulfill. Then, design an intuitive interface and ensure that the app works smoothly. Testing your app thoroughly before launching it helps in catching and fixing any issues. Marketing your app through app stores, social media, and tech forums can help attract users and draw downloads. Regular updates and improvements can also contribute to the success of your app. Gathering feedback from users can provide insights into how to enhance the app and address any issues. Maintaining good customer support and responding to user concerns can build a loyal user base. By continuously refining your app and adapting to user needs, you can increase your app's popularity and revenue potential. 5. Offer tech support and consultancy services. Providing tech support and consultancy services can be a lucrative way to earn money with technology. Many people and businesses need help with tech-related issues or advice on using technology effectively. By offering services such as troubleshooting, system setup, or ad consulting, you can solve these problems and get paid for your expertise. For example, helping a small business set up their network or advising a startup on the best software tools can be rewarding both professionally and financially. To succeed in this field, develop a strong understanding of various technologies and keep up with industry trends. Specializing in a particular area, like cybersecurity or software development, can help you stand out from competitors. Networking with potential clients and promoting your services through online platforms, such as LinkedIn or industry-specific forums, can attract business. Providing high-quality service and building a good reputation can lead to repeat clients and referrals. Offering tech support or consultancy services also allows you to work on a flexible schedule. You can choose to work as a freelancer or start your own consulting firm, depending on your preferences and goals. By staying updated with the latest technological advancements and continuously improving your skills, you can offer valuable solutions and grow your business over time. Utilizing technology to generate income offers a multitude of opportunities for those willing to explore and innovate. By creating and selling digital products, starting a tech blog or YouTube channel, investing in tech stocks or startups, developing mobile apps, and offering tech support or consultancy services, you can tap into the vast potential of the digital age. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on the top 5 ways to make money with technology. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. For additional resources, visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live. Follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore for updates and the latest news. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.